Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a phone frame in Figma. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to figma.com and once you're in the screen that I'm showing you, go to login. Then you can log in to an existing email account or you can even continue with your Google account. Once you finish logging in, go to the project or start a new project where you want to add a phone frame on. So I'm going to choose this. Then once inside your project, go to the bottom panel and you will see the symbol right here which says frame, or you can simply click on your F key. And then on the right panel, and then on the right corner of your screen, you're going to see the options that you can use to add a frame. For this video, let's use iPhone 16. And you can see it right here, it has been added. So to check how it looks, simply click on this button right here and this will redirect you to what your project will look like on actual. And as you can see, it now looks like an iPhone 16. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!